Hello everyone, it's Mermaid Flora, and as many of you may know, I recently turned Elsa into a mermaid. And now, with the Barbie movie coming out, I think it's about time to do the same with Barbie. But in order to do this, I needed to get a couple of things. So that means I have some things to unbox with you today. These are the things that will complete my Mermaid Barbie, and I'm very excited for it. So let's open this one first. I have a feeling this one will be the top. All right, here we go. I'm very excited because it's like an Ariel top, but it's pink to match the pink tail. I am worried it might be a little bit big, but it looks like it's stretchy. So there we go. And this is the accessories. Obviously, you have to have a hair accessory if you're a mermaid, right? I think I ordered a necklace too. All right, let's see. Yes, oops, we're dropping everything. Okay, well, look at that, a flyer for extra 15% off, that's nice. All right, so these are for the hair. My plan is to put it across like a little headband kind of thing, kind of like Ariel's sister, Arista. So the plan is to wear it kind of like that, without the sunglasses, of course. So it'll kind of rest like that and it'll be integrated into the hairstyle. I quite like that, it's very cute. And I also got a necklace to go with it, because you need a little bit of bling, right? So this is the necklace. It has all sorts of starfish and seahorses and stuff. Okay, I just put the necklace on and I am loving it, it's so cute. I normally don't wear a necklace with my mermaid stuff, but I think it fits in this case. Let's put the tail on. I gotta see it together now that I've started. Okay, I just put it together. I'm not usually a pink mermaid. My colors are usually green and blue, but I'm just living for the hot pink right now. Is this not perfect? I love this. Oh, there's the hairpiece. I didn't put the hairpiece in yet. But my plan is to wear it kind of like this. I'm not going to pin it in right now. But that's the idea. I don't know if I'm loading the hairpiece, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe if it's styled correctly, it'll look good. Stay tuned for Mermaid Barbie content, because it's coming.